In the previous tutorial, /posts/go tutorial http/ you built HTTP servers with the standard net/HTTP package. That works great for simple servers. But as your API grows, you need better routing, input validation, and middleware support. Let's break it down. Setting up Gin first. Install Gin in your project. Here is a minimal Gin server. Run the server and open http://localhost 8080 in your browser. You will see Gin default creates a router with two built-in middlewares. Logger logs every request, and Recovery catches panics and returns 500. Gin.h is a shortcut for MapString interface. Routes and HTTP methods. Gin supports all HTTP methods. This gives you a complete CRUD API. Let us test it with curl. Path parameters. Use name to define path parameters. Query parameters. Use c.query and c.defaultQuery for query strings. Request body binding. Gin can automatically parse JSON, XML, and form data into Go structs. Use struct tags to control the binding. The binding tag uses the Go Playground/validator library under the hood. Common validation rules. Required. Field must not be empty. Email must be a valid email. GT equals 1, greater than or equal to 1. LT equals 150, less than or equal to 150. Min equals 3. String minimum length 3, max equals 100, string maximum length 100 should bind JSON, returns an error if validation fails. Route groups group related routes together. This keeps your code organized and lets you apply middleware to a group. Route groups also support nesting. Custom response formats. Gin supports multiple response formats. Error handling pattern. Here is a clean pattern for handling errors in Gin. This gives you consistent error responses across your API. A complete example here is a complete Gin API with all the concepts together. Gin versus net/HTTP. When to use each. Use net/HTTP when you want zero dependencies. Your API is simple, few routes. You are building internal tools. Use Gin when you need route groups and middleware. You want built-in validation. You are building a production API. You want a large ecosystem of middleware in practice. Most Go teams use a framework for production APIs. Gin is the safe, popular choice.